Hey, and welcome. We're really excited to share the all-new Axion with you, packed with fresh features and improvements right across the board, and we can't wait to show you around, so let's dive in. First up, let us get Axion installed and your add-ins running inside Inventor. Once Axion finishes installing, it'll open the Axion dashboard for you automatically. From here, just click the More Add-ins button to grab your add-ins. Pick a single one, or download them all at once, then hit the download button, and you're good to go. This is Axion, every BLUE MECH add-in for Autodesk Inventor managed from one place. Paste your license key, hit Sign In. Done. No key yet? Type your email and start a free trial instead. To make managing your licenses and add-ins easier, we've put Axion right on your desktop, and it's available inside Inventor too. Now go ahead and launch Autodesk Inventor. On your first run, Inventor shows an Add-in Manager security alert. Click Launch the Add-in Manager, select the add-in, uncheck Block, and check Load. To make sure the Axion add-in loaded correctly, open Add-ins under the Tools tab and check that Axion is listed and loaded. With all documents closed, you'll see the BM tab. On the Manager panel, click Dashboard, and Axion opens right inside Inventor. Now you're ready to use your add-ins. Open an Inventor document, hit the BM tab, and you'll see all your add-ins loaded and ready to go. With all documents closed, you'll see the BM tab. On the Manager panel, click Dashboard, and Axion opens right inside Inventor. Now that Axion is up and running, let us take a closer look at everything it can do. The grid is where you manage each module. Click the light to switch one on or off. Hit Apply, and it happens live. No restart needed. Tick Auto and updates install themselves, or pin an exact version. The drop-down unlocks and updates won't move past it. On the right, licensing. Key in, sign in. That's it. Sign out releases your seat so you can move to another machine. Or let auto sign in handle all of it. To activate the trial period, select the add-ins you need, or all of them. Then hit trial, and Axion will activate the trial versions for you. Click any add-in, and the information card shows its status, license, and how long it's valid. Working fully offline, install a license file here. Up top, copy your device ID for support, switch the language on the fly, or send us a support bundle in one click. And down here, export and import carry all your settings to the next machine. That's Axion. One dashboard, every add-in, always licensed, always up to date. Check the link below to get started. And thanks for watching.